In the figure, if the voltmeter resistance is 5000 ohm, what is the percentage error made in reading the potential difference across the 250 ohm resistor? So first here we calculate the potential difference across 250 ohm resistor without voltmeter, and this is real voltmeter. So because the resistance of the voltmeter is finite, so real voltmeter will not give you the correct reading. There will be a small difference in the reading. So first we calculate the potential difference across 250 ohm resistor without voltmeter. So without voltmeter, so what is the potential difference across 250 ohm resistor? So without voltmeter, the circuit will be like this. So here we have 500 ohm, and here we have 250 ohm, here we have 100 ohm, and here 6 volt. So current, first we calculate current in the loop. Current is equal to electric current equal to total EMF by total resistance. Total resistance is 850. Now same current flows the entire loop. So current is equal to 6 by 850, which is equal to the current is equal to 0.007. So same current flows. So now what is the potential difference? Now what is the potential difference across 250 ohm resistor? Say it is V1. So V1 is equal to R1 into, so there is 250 R into I formula, R into I. So R value is 250 into I value is 0.007. Okay. So now the value will be 1.764. So this many volts, 1.764. So without voltmeter, the potential difference across 250 ohm is this much. Now that is 1.764. Now when you connect voltmeter, now real voltmeter will be regarded as a normal resistor. That is 5000 ohm and 250 ohm are in parallel. So what is the effective resistance? 5000 and 250 are in parallel. So it is the effective resistance will be the initial voltage somewhere here, right? So 1.764. Okay. So this is V1. So now 5000 and 250 are in parallel. So this will be equal to 238.09. 238.09. So in place of these two resistors, in place of these two resistors, I can write 238 in place of these two resistors. So now 500 ohm, 238.09. 500 ohm, 238.09, and here 6 volt, and here 100 ohm. Now again you calculate the current. Current is equal to, current in the loop is equal to total EMF by total resistance. So what is the total resistance? 600 plus. So it is 700, 838.0, 838.09. So this will be equal to 6 divided by 838.09 is equal to 0.00715. This is the electric current. Now, what is the new potential difference across this 238.09? So, the potential difference across 238.09 is same as across 250 ohm. That is the reading of voltmeter. So, now V2 will be equal to same R into I formula, I dash formula, 238.09 into 0.00715. So, this will be 1.704. So 1.704. So initial potential difference is 1.764. Final is 1.704. So now how to calculate the percentage change you calculate like this: v2 minus v1 divided by v1 into 100. So what is v2? 1.704. 1.764 divided by 764, so into 100. So this will be equal to, if you simplify, so it is minus 3.4%. Why minus? Potential difference is decreasing, so that's why minus 3.4%. So this is the correct answer. Let me go.